Given x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 11. We can convert this in the form of x square plus 1 by x square equal to k square plus 2. Right or not? So we can write this 11 as 9 plus 2. Now k square is equal to 9. K square equal to 9. K is equal to 3. So in the same way, we have to find out x cube minus 1 by x cube. That is, we already know the formula. X cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to k cube plus 3k. So now substitute the value of k is equal to 3. 3 cube plus 3 into 3. That is equal to 27 plus 9. That is equal to 36. This is the answer of the problem. So if you remember this formula, we can get the answer in just 1 second. So we can get the answer in 1 second if you remember these two formulas. Thank you friends. Please subscribe.